Shopping for two. Hello channel, welcome to my guys.
자기야.
Be strong in the Lord.
Yeah, I keep it right.
Funny.
I passed the MD, right? The one.
Guys, we are in-loading. We are in-loading.
George, what do you want to
Say hi everyone. Hello. And here's two handymen. Bro, my son is there.
Uncle, mom pernah punya
Oh guys, we have finally reached our destination and I see this is Mr. Shim. Tea time. And we are going to have tea time. Tea. And that is Auntie Angel's mom. She is the one who gave us this place. Yeah, thank you. We are so thankful to her. And this is sponsored by our brother Joyo and Imre. They are the sponsor here. No, what do you do? So guys, some people are not satisfied with the tea, so they're having lunch. These people are not satisfied with the tea.
Venice. Oh.
Hey, don't waste the bun.
Hello, people. Empty.
Hello. Voila. Have to take another video.
No dinner for you. Yum bedo.
Oh, this time no. Shim, include the people now and let us all look at you.
Bete.
Everyone can go.
Hey, look here. Zakia! Hi!
No! Hey, look at this guy's big. Oh, show me the movie.
One more. Like this, bro.
Brother Joyo is sitting in your bed.
Hello. King aja isa.
Great man. This is the best.
Check it out.
Buy outfit check. Zara, thrifted, Crocs.
Hey.
But very cheap. I'm a very cheap person.
Kira.
Petra. Oh, you said there's a gift. Right. Who's the other one? Huh? My parents bought this. My mom bought that. I don't know.
Alright.
George, is it you good or it was there? It was there from before.
Okay, Emily, break down your dress.
So this is from Puma. This cap. This shirt is from church fundraise. This one is from I don't know, but it's nice. And then this is props.
Okay,
From props. Thank you.
down your dress, Kenny.
Bazaar, 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 bazaar. I forgot everything. No, I'm in the trouble.
Angie, mommy's girl.
I don't know. This is my brother's, and even this one is my brother's. This belt I bought it for how much? It's been 2.5 years and only 200 rupees. Still good. This underwear.
Hey, your slipper. Your flip flop.
Oh, this one. I don't know. I forgot, but 1 point something.
What do you want? What?
Cape. Starting
Cape.
from Cape, yeah.
Urban Monkey. I got it for 1 point something. This is from Vishal, a very cheap one. 3 in that. And this one I got it from Saturday Market.
Okay.
Lucky guy. My chapel is from West Side.
Okay. Vijay!
And we are going to make smoked pork. Yeah, it's here. Let's play, it's coming up.
Why 90 singers to which are very low?
Bless you.
I know the Fernando.
How far we've come, my baby. Might have took the long way. We never get there someday. They say, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us going. I just died on your arms tonight. Mr. Wayne. I want it that way. Want it that way. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Woo! nothing at all.
Guys, dinner time, dinner time. This is onion, lemon, liver chutney, beans, cabbage, ironba. That is curry, chicken, rice, pede.
What of me?
And our guide, scout and guide.
Oh yeah.
And there's another party. And there is another party. How is it, guys? Thank you. Yeah,
The dead chicken is so good.
yeah, the day chicken, huh?
Let's try it live.
We'll eat it alive, yeah, next time. Hello guys, it's night time and we are having a girl fellowship now. I'm giving you more than a song. What a song in itself. It's not what you have before. You search much deeper. Midnight snacks, Sadikan. Fried rice, manabo day.
To our other classmates who are sleeping right now, if you are seeing this vlog, we're making fried rice.
So where's the rice?
Sprinkle.
So guys, it's midnight and this is the midnight snack party. Say hi. Say hi again. Yeah. So after this we will be sleeping. So this is the part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Since we can't upload everything at one go. Yeah, since it's a very long outing.
Is this the boiled one?
Chicken then. So we will be uploading part 2 very soon. So stay tuned for that as well and it will be more interesting. Until then,